Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to fix our Discord if it won't open at all. So let's just jump right in and get started. You can start by closing up Discord completely. You may go to your task manager for that and hit enter and open it up. Once you access your task manager, go ahead and look out for Discord from the given options. And once you find Discord, what you may do is basically go ahead and end the task for Discord if it is running. So find Discord from here. For example, let's say this is it. After that, right click on it and select the option of end task and try reopening the Discord once again on your PC. Apart from that, what we can do is we can run Discord as an administrator. So once you find Discord on your screen, right click on it, the shortcut. You can look out for this option of run as administrator. And if it opens, you can always set it to run as admin and do so. Apart from that, you can delete the Discord cache. So type in Windows plus R. And once you type in Windows plus R, just go over and type in %appdata% and hit enter. And that should open up the space right here. From here, look out for the Discord folder. From the given options, this one right here. Let me just expand it up. And once you open up the Discord folder, you can look out for the cached folder here like this, and you can just go over and clear up the cache data by tapping on this delete option on your screen. And what we can do is we can even update our Discord. So hit Windows plus R, and this time type in %local app data%. Type in %local app data and % and hit enter. And just go over and do so. You need to even type in Discord. So type in this and then slash Discord and hit enter. And that should open it up for you. Or you may just directly update your Discord through its application's website itself. Apart from that, you can disable compatibility mode. So right click on Discord and go to the properties option. From properties, you can go to the compatibility section here. And under compatibility, you can run this program, compatibility troubleshooters. After that, click on apply and click on OK. And you can restart your Discord once again. So that is it, everybody. You can follow this process for that to fix your Discord not opening on Windows. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.